It's the holiday season, time for mistletoe and holly, but most importantly, it's Baked Good Central. We are baking up a cake that's perfect for any time of year, but it's especially great for the holidays. A hummingbird cake. It's a spice cake, much like carrot, but there aren't any carrots. Sorry, bunnies. I decorated my cake for my son's 3rd birthday, which was in October. You should decorate it with either holly or poinsettia, or just use pecans. Anything you want, you can throw on top of this cake. Make it a Hanukkah cake. You just can't beat some delicious spice cake and some cream cheese frosting. Let's start baking. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Trace your baking pan onto parchment paper. Cut out 3 circles of parchment paper. I like to cut inside my line so I don't get any pen and pencil on the actual parchment paper. Spray your 3 pans with baking spray. Place your circles in the bottom of each pan, then spray it again with baking spray. Whisk together 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a teaspoon baking soda, 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon, a ½ teaspoon allspice, a ½ teaspoon salt. Whisk, 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 whisky, whiskey, whisk, whisk, whisk. 3 large bananas. Mash, mash, mashy, mash, 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 or smash them up. Add an 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Bloop, bloop, bloop. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Bloop. Slowly mix it together. Very slowly. Mix up the eggs. Make sure everything is incorporated very well. May take a little time, but be patient. Once you are done mixing, you can add it to the dry ingredients. Plop. Slowly whisk this together. You can also mix it with a spoon. It might be a little bit easier. I did both. Whisk, 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 whisk. Stir it up and whisk it right. Divide the batter evenly between 3 cake pans. Shake, 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 shake it up. I only had 2 round cake pans, so I baked 2 tiers of the cake, then I baked the 3rd. You do what you gotta do. Let's boop it into the oven. Into the oven they go. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Boop. Boop. Perfect. Time to make that cream cheese frosting. 16 ounces of cream cheese softened. A ½ cup of butter unsalted at room temperature. Mix those 2 together. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 cups of confectioner sugar, which is powdered sugar. Mix, 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 mix. Start to look like delicious frosting. Ooh, it's coming together. A pinch of salt. Mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. Then it's time to decorate. I trimmed the dome off each cake layer so that you have flat, even layers, making it easier to ice. Plus, you don't want to have a crooked cake. Let's ice the cake. So I'm icing the first layer. Put on a thick coat of icing. You can make it as thick or thin as you want. Next layer, some more beautiful cream cheese frosting. La 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 la, spread it around, spread it around. Third layer, and more icing. Just cover everything. Oof, that looks delicious. I like to do a crumb coat, which is just basically covering the entire cake in frosting, then putting in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes. And then completely cover the cake with icing. This is my crumb coat. Then I refrigerated it. Now here I am adding more icing and covering it completely. It just makes it easier so that the icing doesn't keep spreading. And then you don't see the cake through it. And then I decorated it for my kid's 3rd birthday. There's a video on my YouTube channel that shows me decorating it, in case you're curious. Ta-da! Construction cake. Hummingbird cake is done. 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. Shall we taste it? I think so. You gotta get the frosting and the cake. And you can really taste the bananas, the hint of pineapple, the spice. You know, a little more, another bite. You have to make this for the holidays. Everybody would like it, kids, adults, everyone. It's a family favorite. And of course, a sip of coffee. Don't forget to boop that bell and subscribe so you never miss a moment. It's the holidays. We got coffee. We got layered cake. Let's do this. Happy holiday baking.